So it's a cold morning here in Florida, and we got our potatoes that we are going to harvest. So these potatoes, we actually bought them from Publix, and they were going a little bad, so we decided to throw them in the mulch and see what would happen. The plants grew, and now they're starting to die back. So Luca's gonna help me. We got a little bucket here, and we're gonna see how many potatoes we got. All right, let's go.
Nice one.
All right, let's peel the mulch back.
This is a nice one, isn't it, Daddy?
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
think this one was cooked up.
Just be careful with them.
Yeah. Are we gonna leave this one, Daddy? This one right here?
Just go ahead and pull it in. Put it in that container. All right, you want to do that plant first?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a really small one.
Really small.
Is it?
That's what I was saying. Peel, 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 peel.
Come on. Is it here?
Yep.
Another small one.
Why don't you just pull the whole plant out? Let's see here.
Well, maybe you'll actually plant this again, Daddy.
Yeah. Let's try to dig where that was at.
See if there's any more potatoes.
Yep.
Don't think so.
All right, let's get the shovel.
Where's?
Yeah.
2. Or is this one the starting one?
No, I don't think that's the starting one.
Oh
Oh,
my goodness!
It's a big old worm.
It's really floppy.
Yep. Anything more in here? Let's see it. Show me your bucket. There we go. Not bad. Well, that's what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We planted 2 regular potatoes that we just got from Publix. They were kind of shriveled up. We were going to eat them, but they didn't look very good. So we decided to just stick them in the mulch out here, and they ended up producing 6. Not super plentiful, but 6 is better than 2. So I feel like that was a success, especially for Florida. So if you have any tips on how you grow potatoes, let us know. We're going to be trying a couple different techniques, see if we can get some better results.